Hello, good morning. This is Nacho Yanes with Advantage Homes and Nacho Yanes Mobile Homes Chula Vista. And welcome everybody to another of the walk-through tours. And today we are again in a park called Las Lomas. It's a really nice park. Let me switch it off to the camera so you can see. Okay, right. So this is the park. Here we're in South San Diego on Smythe Avenue, and this is the lovely home that we're gonna show today. So it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and the park is family, so all ages. As you can see, it's very nicely, very clean, very well taken care of, and this is the home. Show you the entrance. Okay, there we are. So this home is 1,500 square feet. It's a 27 by 56, and it was built in 2018. So this home is really almost new, but also it has some improvements. Is in a way is better than new, because for example that shed that you can see over there, that is really a huge shed, has been added by the current sellers. And let me show you, this is a very large carport. You can actually fit 4 cars in here, or 2 trucks and 1 car easily. And the other good thing about this park is that if you have kids, this is really convenient, because you have here a park, and there's an exit straight from the patio, from here, from the backyard of the house. See? So here you can just open here, and now it's locked, of course, but you can just open and let your kids go. And this is completely safe, very nice playground. You see, very, very big in the park. This is the patio, so they have it, you would absolutely no maintenance, because there's concrete in here, and they put this canopy. That's really nice, and yeah, it still extends here, and in case of need, you could even pull the cars a little bit farther in. So, yeah. So let's go inside the home. Remember, you can make your comments. Hi Derek. Thank you. Thank you for your comment, saying Derek is a nice park, it's huge and new. Yeah, so yeah, thank you Derek. Yes, I appreciate your comments. So let's come in. Let's go in. So the first thing, this is the dining area. Let's turn on the lights, a little bit more light. So yeah, you see in this area it has full waterproof vinyl flooring. Actually, this flooring comes from the factory, and it's also the flooring, like underneath the cabinets and everything, to guarantee that is waterproof. The appliances are included. You see the microwave and the stove. These appliances are from 2018, and actually this home comes with 7 years extended limited warranty, and the home is from 2018, so it still has a good portion of the warranty left. The kitchen has this is called Korean. It's laminated stone countertops, and yeah, let's move around so you can see. It's quite an open space concept. So you have the kitchen here, the dining area. You have as well. This is it's called skylight. It's a natural light. Okay, and that's quite convenient, because you don't You don't need to turn your lights on. You have the California sun do the work for you. As you can see, there's a very nice refrigerator, also from 2018 in very good shape, and that's also included. And the thing that is not included is the washer and dryer, but this is the hookups with the laundry room. You see, it's again very spacious laundry room. It helps you have everything well organized. So yeah, it has a sink here, very convenient. So let's go into the living room. One of the things that the current sellers have done is that they replaced the carpet that was original, and they have put this nice vinyl laminated flooring. And see, you have a space for all the family. That's the other entrance that you can use to go to the other side of the home. And another thing about this home is that it has what is called a split plan. So basically, the master bedroom is on this side of the home. Oh, there you go, on this side of the home, and then the other 3 bedrooms are, across the common areas on the other side of the home. So that's good because it gives, for big families or there's more than one family living in the home, that's very convenient for privacy. So this is the master. As you can see, nice large windows. All these windows, of course, are very new technology. They're double pane windows, so the isolation is very good. Here is a very big walk-in closet, also with natural light. Let me show you up there. Yeah, this closet is really helpful. And see, it has still this is how it was, the original carpet, but then they changed it for these laminated floors. So yeah, okay. And then of course it has the master bathroom. Again, this looks like tile, but it's vinyl. It looks really great, and it's fully waterproof. And again, more natural light. Oops, let me show you. There it is. Yeah, it has a double vanity, medicines cabinet. Oh, hey, hello. You don't want to see the sales guy in the video. Okay, so yeah, let me do a panoramic here of the master. You see, there's a lot of furniture, and it still looks spacious because it's very spacious. Remember, this is a 1,512 square feet home. It's a 27 by 56. So yeah, and it feels like a home. So let's go and see, going across the common areas again. Let's go see the other rooms. So here you have, I will be room number 2, and again, yeah, you can have a twin bed or almost a queen. You can fit in here. It has, of course, a nice closet as well. Yeah, they are very high, so you can really store a lot of things in here. And in the video, I don't know, you can appreciate it, but the ceilings are very high as well. That gives a lot of space, so you can really breathe in this home. This is the second bathroom, which is very conveniently close to the other 3 bedrooms. And again, yeah, you have it very nicely set. Let's go to see room number 3. Again, quite spacious. You see, This one still has carpet, but the carpet is in very good shape. This is, remember, the home is from 2018, so it's like almost new. And again, it has its closet, quite spacious as well. Let me turn around. So I say, Socorro is saying información. Yeah, of course, Socorro, I'm going to put all the information. It's already in the virtual open house. But yeah, I can give you all the information. I'm going to make a recap at the end of the video, but you will have it in writing as well. Muchas gracias, Socorro, por su comentario. And this is room number 4, okay? Room number 4 as the last one. And this is almost like another master, because look at this has another almost as big as the master bedroom walk-in closet. So it's here you got a very spacious walk-in closet. You see, you can put your cabinets here, your drawers. Yeah, very nice. So yeah, and here you have a nice view from the back patio and the yard. So yeah, let's go again to do a bit panoramic of the room so you can see. And then let me start telling you information about the home. Okay, so let's recap. The home is 27 by 56. Is 1,500 square feet. It's the manufacturer is Silvercrest, and it's 2018 model. It has 7 years extended limited warranty, and the price is $239,000, and it's financeable. Okay, so if you're interested in financing, please you can put a comment down there, or my phone is going to be there as well, so you can call me. This is a family park, and the rent of the park, to the best of our knowledge, is $890, I think, per month. And yeah, you see, here you have plenty of options. You can put an island here, or you have use that part for a living room. Sorry, the dining room. Here's the living room. Let me show you the master bedroom again. Okay. And well, there are not many real 4 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms homes. Some of the homes, the mobile homes that are selling as 4 bedrooms, are really 3 bedrooms, but they split one of the bedrooms. So you end up having quite a small bedrooms. But this one is not the case. This is really spacious. Okay. So one more view of the kitchen. Okay. And again, it has laundry room, and everything that you can see. The stove, microwave, the refrigerator is included. The only thing that is not included, and the dishwasher, as well. They're all from the home was built 2018. And these white countertops are laminated stone. It's Korean, and the washer and dryer are not included. But yeah, there's a nice laundry room, and there are the hookups, so you can install your own. Okay, let's look again at the backyard, and let's go at the front. And well, I hope that you are enjoying this. It's a very beautiful home to show. So if you have several people in these homes, it's 4 bedrooms. You can have up to 9 people. So let me show you a panoramic on that dog, that beautiful dog, is not included in the sale. So this is the back patio. This is the carport. Okay. So again, you have room here for like easily 4 cars. You have a spacious shed as well, and that's all. They go on the front. I'm sorry if there's a bit noisy because of the wind. It's a little bit windy here. So yeah, this is the front of the home, and this is the park. Very nice family park, very well taken care of. Okay, so yeah, and this was all for today. So let me wear my mask, and thank you for watching. As always, if you have any questions, please go on the comments. If you like the video, remember to click on like. This video is going to be on my Facebook, Nacho Yanes Mobile Homes Chula Vista, and also on YouTube. And if you need any information, you can call me. My phone number is going to be there when I edit the video. Phone number is 619-551-0420. So thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a great weekend. Bye, everybody.